Good evening everyone, it's Rachel here and I am here with a very quick update, Etsy update. So we have two new kits. It has been requested of me to do these and I felt the need for new flowers and new birds to play with. So this is kit number 5, correct me if I'm wrong, for the fussy cut flowers. I did them the slightly bigger size with a border around them. And so if you want them smaller, you can print like not full size, and then they'll be slightly smaller to fit on smaller things as well. So I'll just show you. There's 4 pages because they're bigger. I couldn't fit obviously as many in on the pages, so I did 4 pages of them. So really lovely fun flowers, and again with the border, it's their natural border from whatever they were on, the book that they were in, and that way it's just much easier to cut them out and not have to fuss with them. I didn't do the full sheet obviously, because then like I did in my previous ones, because that also uses more ink, except those ones you could tear them out as they are and just not fussy cut them at all because they have a background. But these also will go in the Cricut machine, the Cricut machine or whatever it's called. So that's the flower fussy cut. I have more coming, but I'll do 2 at a time. And then this is the fussy cut birds, and it's kit number 4. Love these birds. So again, I've left the border around them so it's much easier to cut them out. And this is the first time I've done that with the birds. So I fit quite a lot of birds in per page, so there are 3 pages. And again, there will be the PDF. This one was very pale, the border, but there will be the PDF and the Jpegs provided in the listing. So very quick little update. I've actually already made a few things, which you'll see in my upcoming video. I don't know if they're here. I think I put them up there. Just a minute. Let me see. Yes, I did. I haven't put them in this pile. I put them in this pile here. I'll just show you quickly. There's one of the flowers there and another one. So already using them in my video. And I think I used a bird. No, I didn't use a bird. So there we go. So that is my little Etsy update. I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you again soon. Bye.